Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the surface element control switch. The reason why you might have to do this is because the element won't turn on at all, or it will stay on high heat and it won't turn down. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do is turn our range around. So now we have to take this back panel off. In order to do that, we've got 6 screws that are holding it in, 1 on each corner, and then in the middle on the top and bottom. And now that we've got all of those unscrewed, we're just going to pull the panel up so that the tab comes out of there, and we can set it off to the side. So we've got our 2 surface element switches. So in order to replace it, we're going to replace this one over here, and we're going to unplug all these wires here first. And from this side, you can also verify that it's the correct switch, because this is the back burner, which if you look at your stove is the small burner, and that's the case on both sides over there. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to pull this knob straight off. There are 2 screws holding the switch in. So we're going to take our screwdriver and we're going to remove those screws now. And as you remove this second screw, just make sure you're holding on to the switch from the other side so that it doesn't fall out. And once those screws are out, you can pull the switch straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement surface element control switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you'll see on the front of our switch here, we've got this flat D shape on the top there. That's what you want to put facing upwards, so that when you put the knob on, everything's oriented the right way. So we'll slide that into the hole there. And once you get the holes lined up for the screw, you can screw it back into place. And once the screws are on, you can get your knob and slide that back on as well. So now we can plug all of our wires back in. So now I'm going to put our back panel back on, and what I'm going to do is with the middle segmented panel right here, that's going to go behind everything, and then that rests on top there, and then I'll line up our screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, you can start screwing it back in. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and our repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.